How's it going, everyone? Hope you're all doing well. It's going to be a really quick video today because I've not filmed very much in the last few days, to be honest. So I just thought, because I've made a few alterations to the van, give a little look round, see what's been going on. It's changed a little bit. So give a proper look at this sofa as well now it's all finished. There we go, look. There's the new sofa slash bed slash storage situation. So it now goes all the way to the back wall. Sort of finished off the bottom a little bit. It's not amazing, but definitely better. And then underneath here, we've got the fridge, bit of bread, and the shower tank. There is storage under that one as well, but I've not done it yet. I need to figure out what I'm doing still. But yeah, I think it's turned out pretty good. So we've got that. Changed a few other bits as well. Made the table higher so it works with this bed. Changed this door a bit. So now got a bit more storage going on in there. Looks a bit of a mess, but it's a damn sight better than it was. Another thing, I've extended the worktop a bit right to the wall. Just with a bit of plywood. Again, it's not amazing. Obviously, it don't look as good as this one, but it's just a quick.
It's useful, fuller.
Just makes life a bit easier, you know. And then in the bathroom, which I get questions about all the time, I suppose I don't really show it that much. But all I've done is put like a hanging system up here, just so that we can dry out like the ski gear and stuff. Because obviously it gets quite cold and wet. This is my bathroom if you haven't seen it. It's very simple. It's got the shower there. This like plastic panelling on all the walls. Thetford toilet. All this shit's not really there. That's the washing locator. Yeah, dead easy, dead simple, but it just drains into a tank underneath the van. I wouldn't want to be in a van without a bathroom, to be honest. I don't know how people do that. But then, because I've made this, look, you've got all this space underneath now. Got a little recycling area. Space for the shoes, all that. This table comes off, it's not permanent, it's just sort of on there. I can take it off and still open the door in the summer, which, because I ain't doing it at the minute, there's no point. So, yeah, that's about it. That is about it. Still got other jobs in the pipe work, but can't do everything at once, can you, sir?
Doing the leather.
The leather? Oh, what, underneath?
Yeah.
Leather. I think that's a much better use of space. I don't know why. I mean, the sofa was always a temporary thing, but I didn't really know what I wanted to build or how I was going to build it. But then when you actually live in the van, it sort of tells you what you need. You can never predict it sort of before you actually live in it for a good amount of time. I mean, it's not going to be long before I've lived in here for a year. That's a bit f***ing mental, isn't it? Jesus Christ. I think it's 100 days and I've been in here a year. Non-stop, pretty much. Right, camera's going to go flat, so it's just a really quick sort of update what's been happening. I've got toothache again, of course, because we're in Chamonix. Had it for a bit. It's been on and off for a few weeks, but then it's gone really bad now. So I tried to get in the dentist today and they couldn't do it, so I'm going to go again tomorrow and see what they say. So other than that, that's about it really. That's all that's been happening. Alright, so I'm working again. Well, we're both working again tomorrow, so I don't know how much I'm going to film. I'll probably take the camera along with me. But yeah, I'll take you along tomorrow, why not? Right, I shall see you all in a bit.